How to create a shop in Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a shop in your Facebook page. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and search Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, you just need to log in as your page. To do that, you can just tap on this account section and select your page right here. After you've done that, just go to your page and on the left side, you will see Meta Business Suite. Tap on it. After you do that, you'll be redirected to another page. Now here what you can do is you can just scroll down and find all tools. Tap on all tools, and after you do that, you will see all of these right here. Now after you just search for a bit, you will see something like this, commerce. Now tap on it and you'll be redirected to another page. Now right here, you'll be able to sell on your Facebook and Instagram or both. After you tap on next, you will see create a shop option. Tap on it and select. And after you tap on get started, you will be able to go through this process, and here you can just set up your shop and you're good to go. So this is how you do this, guys. This is how you create a shop on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.